What's up and welcome back to Vibe with me. We are now vibing. Today we're gonna talk about protein. Why? Well, Gainesville, of course. You want to have at least 1 gram of protein per pound that you weigh. So you might be thinking, how am I supposed to have 130 grams of protein when a chicken breast is only 40 grams? Don't trip. I'm about to show you how to get down on an easy protein shake. So if you want to check it out, follow along. Cool, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna use some unsweetened almond milk. I'm gonna do about 3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna add some ice to make it extra cold. I'm gonna do 1 banana. I like my bananas frozen because it just helps with the coldness and the creaminess. Then we're gonna do some peanut butter and just a little bit of cinnamon. And last but not least, the star of the show. I'm just gonna do 1 scoop of protein. And we just blend. Perfect. And that's it. Cup it. Oh, yummy. If you don't do frozen banana, add some ice in there, make it extra cold. Play around with it, have fun. Sometimes I add Greek yogurt to the mix. Sometimes I'll put some stevia if I wanted a little sweet, you know, so sky's the limit. So if you learned anything from this video, go ahead and give me a like. If you want to follow along in our food journey, hit subscribe. I'll see you soon with a new recipe, okay? It doesn't work this way, this way. I forgot the protein. Oh my God.